Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC broke out to this target area to the downside. It did warn you if we go below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of this move, which is basically this level down here at around 82 cents, 82.4. It makes it quite likely that we also will go down further. And I think this is happening right now. We did not hold the ideal level. We sort of still halfway in the box, but for me, this doesn't look healthy anymore. We have 5 waves down, to be honest, in this move. So I'm going to change my expectations here. Yes, it's not impossible that this is still a wave 2, so I'll leave it actually on the chart. This red count obviously has been invalidated, but I warn you that if this is the case, if we're dropping down too far, then we have to count it differently. I'll still leave the possibility here on the chart, but the problem is that now what I would need to be more confident in this sort of green wave count here is a move that I would want to see above 91.6 cents. Because I explain. And I will change the overall. Wave count, but what it would mean, I will do that later. But it would mean that this move down here is obviously a 5-wave move. So this is still embedded in the larger, let's say, bullish scenario, but so that would mean the wave 4 was never finished. Okay, so if you remember, we talked about this impulse from the beginning and said, okay, we've done our 1, 2, 3, 4, now waiting for the 5. But due to the price structure here now and the latest drop in 5 waves, we have to say that this red wave 4 was probably never finished. That's a long sideways move, wave 4, and that we're coming down once more into the yellow area. So later I will move that across, I'll change the wave count here, but in the short term, just for this video, just to tell you what I would now expect in the short term, it's actually this count, a 1 down, that this was a 1 down because we have 5 waves. We would now be expecting a wave 2 to the upside, might give everybody the possibility to get out if you want to. You have to make that decision, Can I promise we won't go above 91.5 cents? No. But it's just the expectation. Then a move down in a 3, 4, 5. But I would want to hold above 65 cents ideally in this scenario then. So if we see a move up from here, that's all fine. That would be part of this scenario because we have 5 down. We would expect now a wave 2 up. Now I don't know how strong that will be. Again, everything is possible between 86 cents and 91.5. Again, if it goes above that, it will just make this count unlikely again, because a wave 2 that goes above the 78.6% Fib level is a bit unlikely. Ideally, what I would have loved to see in the bullish count here in green, 1, 2, and then 3 up, would be at least a stretch here. Ideally, at least significantly above the 90 before we make a lower low. Now we have made a lower low, it's not ideal, so I'm looking at that now as a primary. So yellow would be primary expectation. That means bullish is still possible, but bearish is more likely. Well, short-term bearish, it would still be embedded in the larger bullish count, where we would eventually get to 115 to 140 into that target area up there, which I now have to move across because it all takes a bit longer here than originally anticipated. So okay, and that's my update about MATIC. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.